Okay, so here we go again. This is product rule. So that, and this needs to be rewritten as 2t to the negative 1. It's my bad. G prime of t is the derivative of the first, which is 2t to the negative 1 plus t to the fifth times the second, t cubed plus 1, plus the first, 2t to the minus 1 plus t to the fifth times the derivative of the second, which is t cubed plus 1. The derivative of 2t to the minus 1 is minus 2t to the minus 2 plus the derivative of t to the fifth is 5t to the fourth, and then times t cubed plus 1 plus 2t to the negative 1 plus t to the fifth, and the derivative of t cubed is 3t squared, and the derivative of 1 is just 0. Now you don't have to put the 0 there, since that's what its derivative is. This is straight out quotient rule. So G prime, bring the denominator up, x cubed minus 5, times the derivative of the numerator, x squared plus 1, minus the numerator, x squared plus 1, times the derivative of the denominator, x cubed minus 5, all over the denominator, x cubed minus 5 squared. So this is x cubed minus 5. The derivative of x squared plus 1 is just 2x, because the derivative of 1 is 0, minus x squared plus 1. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Derivative of 5 is just 0, all over x cubed minus 5 squared. Now this needs to be, this is also quotient rule. So this needs to be rewritten as x to the 1/2 over x cubed plus 1. So that y prime is, bring the denominator up, x cubed plus 1, times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared, which is x cubed plus 1. The derivative of x to the 1/2 is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 minus x to the 1/2 times the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of 1 is just 0, all over the denominator squared. Now this is chain rule. So y prime is negative 8 times the blob to the negative 9 times the derivative of the blob, which is 4t minus 3. This is negative 8. Blob is 4t minus 3 to the negative 9. The derivative of 4t minus 3 is just, whoops, this should be with respect to t. Sorry about that, guys. And this should be 4. I just noticed that up here, this stupid thing was in T2. So this should have been a DT. That should have been a DT. Now you know why I like X's. Why X's are my favorite things. This is product chain. So that Z prime is the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Well, you can see I already made a mistake. No, I'm okay. 5 minus x to the 4th. I saw this x plus 1 in it. Thought I wrote that down, and I didn't. So, chain rule. So that's product rule. So now I'm going to implement chain rule. Derivative of the first is a chain rule problem. It's 3 times the blob squared times the derivative of the blob times 5 minus x to the 4th plus x plus 1 cubed. The derivative, this is chain, so this is times 4 times the blob to the 3 times the derivative of the blob. So this is chain. So to finish this up, then the blob here is x plus 1 squared. The derivative of x plus 1 is just 1. 5 minus x to the 4th plus x plus 1 cubed times 4. Here the blob is 5 minus x cubed. And the derivative of 5 minus x, 5 minus x cubed. The derivative of 5 minus x is just minus 1.